Welcome to the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this channel, I'm covering communication skills for you to level up your way with words and become much more articulate. In today's episode, we're entering the land of intelligence, and I'm going to give you a very simple technique to get smarter. The first thing you need is obviously my book, The Modern Day Polymath. This book is going to help you learn different topics, turn the complexity into simplicity. But let's say for whatever reason you don't have this at the moment. The second object is something you also need, and that is something that you have. That is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that is meant to be your personal sidekick. And what you want to do is you want to interact with ChatGPT more. I've been doing this as of late, and I've been wondering, who uses Google anymore? To me, Google is turning into dial-up, while ChatGPT is high-speed internet. Because with Google, once you give it a certain command, what happens is you give the command and then you have to search for the answer. While with ChatGPT, you give it a command and it gives you the answer. No more searching needed. What you want to do with ChatGPT is you want to use it to become smarter. This tool is meant to be an awesome assistant. And the way that you are going to do that is by giving it the right commands. Here's the command that you want to give ChatGPT. Find any topic out there that you want to learn. Let's say for whatever reason you want to learn more about capacitors. This is a engineering phrase that we used to hear a lot in College of Engineering. And for the longest time, for the life of me, I could not understand what capacitors were. What's exactly the difference between capacitors and batteries? I really want to learn about capacitors. So you found your topic. From there, you want to do the following prompt. Teach me capacitors as if I'm 3 years old and 30 years old. That is the prompt. Pick your topic and tell ChatGPT that you want to learn it as if you were 3 years old and 30 years old. And what it's going to do is fascinating. First, it's going to output the description of what a capacitor is for a 3-year-old. And you will notice that it's making it so easy to understand. It's giving it so many analogies. It's teaching you, it's telling you stories. And if it's too small, you could just be like, explain it even more as if I'm a 3-year-old. The main point you want to understand is that it's giving you a lot of analogies. Then it's going to switch to when you're 30 years old. Once you are 30 years old, it's going to be giving you a lot of descriptions, important terms, logical analysis. At this point, you start to understand what capacitors are to a deeper level. And this is something that I break down in my book, The Modern Day Polymath. I talk about why analogies are so important. The reason that you want to understand this topic from the 3-year-old's lens first is because ChatGPT understands the concepts put in this book. If teachers are capable of giving analogies before they start to discuss the theoretical concepts, so many students would be smarter. But instead of doing that, what a lot of these modern day teachers do is they jump straight into the 30-year-old version rather than the 3-year-old version. Try this prompt out. Teach me X topic as if I'm 3 years old and 30 years old, and be surprised by the magic that ChatGPT outputs. You pair ChatGPT with the Modern Day Polymath, and I guarantee you will become smarter in this world known as the information age. To check out the book, check out the links in the description box, the pinned comment, or go on ArmaniTalks.com and grab your copy today. Thank you very much for joining the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel, and I will catch you next time.